Duol mochung'ne kelo kendo jiwo tiyo kanyakla mar oganda e pacho ka NCIC oketo kogno oboke mar tiyo kanyakla gi kar tiegruok mar weche uchumi kod kwee mong'ere kaka Institute of Economics and Peace IEP nyayo kwee pacho ka. Jatatije mar duol mar NCIC Harrison Kariuki kone gi geto kelo kanyakla ogendni duto ahinya te kinde ni maliet mar siasa koro medore e pacho kae.
The Institute of Economic and Peace was one of, we identified them because they bring a lot of expertise this expertise was to help NCIC develop a roadmap on the transgenerational conversation discussions, to assist and to partner in dissemination of key peace messages, to support and promotion of peace messages within all the generations.
So we are renowned for coming up with a concept called a positive peace framework. That we wish to use that framework to help the NCIC to achieve the objectives of the transgenerational conversations and also capacity build NCIC staff on the same concept of a positive peace framework that's going to help our country with those town hall meetings and also make sure that people are peaceful and they use our framework in peace building activities across the country.